Okay, what is going on, CYPRX YouTubers? Welcome back to another CYPRX YouTube video breakdown. Blessings to you guys all for returning. Make sure that if you're interested in learning about cryptocurrencies, commodities, indices, foreign exchange, you go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. It is free to do so, and it helps boost its YouTube algorithm and helps the channel grow. In today's video breakdown, you guys, we are going to cover some very interesting technical analysis on XRP as well as XLM. I'm going to give you guys some price predictions on both assets. But first off, I'd like to start this by saying this needs to stop. It is very questionable. Okay, you guys saw my last YouTube video. If you're subscribed to this YouTube channel, you saw Moon Boys unite, right? It's interesting how social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, MySpace, I don't know if that's still popping, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, they will monetize people like myself via freedom of speech when we talk about the Illuminati, Bohemian Grove, the groups that run the world, Blackwater projects, things of that nature, but they won't monetize people like this that put out false hope and hopium to every single person on the internet that has no idea how to trade. Derek Plaza, as an example, okay, and I'm getting real technical with this stuff because it's just seriously disgusting. 3 months ago, December 14th, posted a YouTube video that said $13 XRP targets. From the time that he posted that YouTube video, price depreciated 34% in value and has yet to recover significantly since then. Imagine all the people that watched his YouTube video and bought at this dip, okay? They all got liquidated. XRP Captain tweeted out in early February, $1.80 in February to March, potentially $7 to $10. Here's that tweet right here. If XRP repeats the same move, then by early Feb, we will see XRP around $1.80 to $1.95. Also, $7 to $10 by early March. XRP Captain, where you at? 31% drop in value since that tweet came out. Crypto Bull, this guy is the most interesting one. I was going to tweet on one of his tweets the other day. What is your credibility? Why is every single YouTuber jump the gun and make a tweet or a post, maybe even a YouTube video about this guy's tweets whenever he does tweet? This guy tweeted right here, January 9th, new all-time high incoming for XRP. January 9th, guys, look at the date. When he tweeted that, look at the price depreciation of XRP. Imagine all the people that bought this hopium right here in the form of these bullish candlesticks. Price depreciated 31% in value. You guys, wake up. If you are placing trades via any of these hopium traders on YouTube or Twitter, you need to learn how to trade properly. The reason why I'm showing you all a couple of these as an example, and there's thousands of channels out there, thousands that I could put on blast that literally put out bullishness, price predictions every single day that disguise realistic expectations from this market in the form of bullish markets and bearish markets, okay? Price fluctuations to the up and down side on a day-to-day move. Stop thinking, if you're a beginner in this market or intermediate trader, okay, stop thinking that this market just goes up. That is not realistic. And if you all are placing your bets and placing your expectations in this market based off of people who have no credibility in this space, literally zero, no credibility. Go back and check every single one of their tweets from this year and last year. No targets have been met. No targets have come into fruition. It's just disgusting and it needs to stop. Why will they monetize people like myself who talk about the Illuminati, Bohemian Grove, try to wake people up about the groups that run the world, try to wake people up about realistic expectations from the market? They will monetize my YouTube channel. You know how many videos I've put out and they've just been monetized by YouTube? Literally emails saying that I can't post a video talking about CV19 or talking about the groups that run the world, right? The Bohemian Grove, things of that nature. It's disgusting, okay? Man, this literally, it boils my skin. And I know that I can talk freely because of all the other profitable traders out there, that this stuff is just disgusting. Again, if you guys are basing your trades off of what these YouTuber enthusiasts with thousands of followers are telling you all, go back and fact check them. Find a Twitter account, find a YouTube, regardless, I'm not sitting here telling you to pay attention to everything that I call out, okay? Find a YouTube channel, find a Twitter account if you have no idea what you're doing in this market that actually has credibility in this market, okay? I own a company. I give out realistic expectational targets that get met on a weekly basis. I have credibility in this market, okay? I have a trading community where they will provide factual evidence that I call bullish and bearish targets out on a daily basis. These guys have none. And all the other hopium traders out there have no credibility. They're just bull riders. They're moon boys. Okay. Now, long-term perspective, I am bullish on XRP. Don't get that twisted. This is not a FUD video. This is just to wake people up, to show you all that every single person that watched these bullish videos right here and these bullish tweets got liquidated and had a price depreciation in their overall portfolio. And maybe just now, right? Maybe just now, let's see, if we're just measuring from this video, Derek Plaza's $13 prediction, okay? It took you over 110 days to see a price appreciation by not even what? 1% on your portfolio since he put that video out. That's disgusting, guys. Get hip, wake up. There were so many opportunities to the up and downside in between all of these tweets, in between all of these YouTube videos that you all could have capitalized on if you all knew how to read these markets properly. I'm speaking directly to the people who want to accelerate in their trading career and aren't just looking to buy crypto off of Coinbase and just let it sit for forever. Okay, if that's you, right, then get off this video. You're not trying to learn technical analysis and you're going to keep getting stomped in this market left and right, left and right, left and right. Okay. Price analysis on XRP real fast. Okay. I have this interesting article for you all. Sorry I had to go on that rant. It's just honestly, this space is disgusting and it needs a superhero. It needs a superhero. And I know that if I continuously put out this information and show you all literal proof that these dudes have no idea what they're talking about, okay, that eventually I will grow a crowd of individuals who wake up and are actually profitable in this market. Okay, again, look at the statistics. 90% of individuals are not profitable in this market. And it is because 90% of individuals fall victim to stuff like this and then go and place trades and then see depreciations in their overall portfolio. Look at this, 31% decline, 34% decline. Imagine if you would have put, right, $1,000 into XRP here. You would have had negative $340 in your overall account. That's disgusting. That's disgusting. That would have made you scared, probably made you take out your position, and then you would have lost money and called crypto a hoax and you would have been a skeptic, right? Don't do that to yourself. Save yourself and learn technical analysis properly. I have an article here for you all. XRP price prediction in trouble as 200 million tokens are injected into circulation. Again, giving you all realistic expectations from the market. Ripple price remains at risk of a collapse as the circulation of the altcoin XRP increases significantly. Following fixed schedules, the payment giant has unlocked 1 billion XRP tokens, 800 million were locked back into escrow accounts. Ripple price at risk of dropping with 200 million XRP injection. Ripple price remains at risk of a further drop as the payment giant unlocks 1 billion tokens. XRP followed the program release of 1 billion XRP on April 1st, 2022. Of the billion, the payment giant has moved 800 million XRP back into escrow, locking them up until May 1st, 2022. Interesting to say the least. I tweeted out to you all a couple days ago. Here is my Twitter handle, CYPRX Xlm. My Twitter handle is CDemanicore. And I said to you all, XRP needs a sustainable break and hold above the 85-cent psychological level to confirm bullish momentum, or we will most likely see a significant pullback in price. I am looking at a price target of 72.5 cents to 74 cents for my first bearish targets. I tweeted this out March 31st. And that was days in advance before this article came out. So again, you guys, if you want to follow somebody who actually knows what they're talking about via technical analysis, follow me on Twitter. Okay, I'm not and I will not ever provide any type of hopium. I provide realistic price expectations. Okay, I'm not going to fill your head with anything unrealistic. I'm going to give you guys what it is that I'm actually doing in the market. You realistically think that these guys were placing trades here? No, they were just telling everybody that to get followers. Why? Because most likely they're getting paid somehow from YouTube, right? Or whatever the case may be based off of their following count. Okay, don't fall victim to that. It's disgusting, and it like I said, this space needs a superhero. And if nobody else has the kahunas to do that, to call these people out, I will do it. I will be that guy, okay? Because I hate seeing people come into my trading community and tell me just nasty trading stories from them falling victim to all of these scams in the market. Okay, let's go over some Xlm price analysis. You guys here, I have some markings drawn on the chart for you all. We had a failure swing to come up into the 25-cent psychological level and create a new market structure high. Right now, we can see equal highs being printed. There's a lot of liquidity above these highs. So if Xlm cannot have a sustainable break above the 25-cent psychological level, I'm looking for a price depreciation or a pullback in Xlm where I'm going to be looking to add to my overall long-term position at anywhere between 21 to 20 cents. Why am I saying that? Okay, this is the most significant area, or the most significant higher low after the grab of liquidity that broke structure, broke the previous market structure, and created a new temporary market structure high. As you guys can see, these two bearish structure highs were taken out by this bullish leg, okay? This bullish leg from A to B. Now I'm gonna get into the nitty gritty down here in a second. I'm gonna go down to the lower charts and show you all why it is that I'm drawing my Fibonacci from this low to this high. Again, okay, just taking my Fib from the low to the high. Okay, all of my CYPRX students know how to, put their Fibonacci to these certain levels. I'm not going to get into the nitty gritty of that. A lot of other, YouTubers on this space, they have all of these. I don't even know where they get these Fibonacci sequence numbers from. But what this tool is used for is not some magical tool. It's not some magical sequence thing that's just going to have this price respect all the time. Okay. All this tool is a tool so that way you can measure where valid discounted price is going to be at. So for measuring from this low to this new brand new high that was just created but failed to break the 25-cent psychological level, but did break these fractal structure highs, we can see a price depreciation of around 62 to 79%, where the banking institutions and the whales like to purchase from would fall into around the 21 cent to, let's just say, 20 cent psychological level. Okay, that is where I'm going to be looking to add to my bag. On XLM, I will give you guys a price update if we do see a depreciation of price down into these levels. I'm looking for something like this to come down into these levels and then have a bullish run back higher, okay, if these price levels hold. Why am I drawing my Fibonacci from these lows? That's a question that I'm sure that I will get, okay? So let's jump down to the lower time frame based off of what it is that I teach you guys on the YouTube. Let's go to the 4-minute chart and let's go over to this significant area that I highlighted for you all. Okay, we can see those drawings as they align on the 4-minute chart. What is significant about this area before we had this market breaking structure? Okay, what is significant about this area? Look at this. This is the last significant area where the market showed us a willingness to grab liquidity from the downside by this wiki price action and run higher. From the grab of liquidity, this higher low was the last significant higher low that was created before we had the bullish run all the way up until price failed to break that 25-cent psychological level. Okay, look at this. This is the 4-minute chart. As you guys can see how that is displayed on the higher time frame. Here's that low. Here's that high at around 24 cents. Now, if I go back to the hourly time frame, you guys can now see why it is that I'm taking my Fibonacci from this low, or this significant higher low right here, okay, on the 4-minute chart where we had that grab of liquidity, a higher low, and then a rally higher all the way up into 24 cents where we did break these fractal structure lower highs, okay? I'm taking my Fib from this low to the high and waiting to see if we can get a price depreciation or a pullback on XLM so that way I can add to my long-term positions at around 21 to 20 cents, okay? This is how you would properly dollar cost average into XLM or properly add to your overall XLM long-term position. Why? Because currently XLM price is operating at a new high. How is it operating at a new high? You guys saw that this was a break in market structure in the fractal nature of things, and we are currently now operating at a high on the chart. So if you want to properly buy the dip, quote unquote, or add to your position in XLM or dollar cost average, again, this isn't investing advice and I'm not telling you guys to buy at 21 cents or 20 cents. I'm letting you all know that I'm not going to buy at these highs. Okay, I already have XLM bags and I don't want to see a depreciation in my overall portfolio. I want to give myself an edge in the market and I want to allow my portfolio to appreciate in value, not depreciate in value. I want to allow my portfolio to appreciate in value, not buy here and then watch it depreciate in value because I'm afraid of missing out, okay? Learn technical analysis properly. Again, like I said, like I told you guys from the beginning of this video, please save yourselves. I'm speaking to the people who are really interested in becoming more so a professional in this market and not just some amateur who just tweets out bullish expectations and puts out bullish YouTube videos every single day, literally lying to their followers, okay? Literally lying to their followers. I don't know how many followers this guy has. Look at this, 139,000 freaking followers. That is insane, the amount of manipulation that this guy has. And because he has this many followers, other YouTubers, as soon as this guy makes a tweet, will jump the gun and make a YouTube video about this guy's tweets. Where is his credibility? Ask for his credibility. What has he done in this market to prove that he knows what he's talking about? Absolutely nothing. Zero, zip, nada. Same with this dude. Same with the other guy. Same with 90% of the individuals in this market space. Please save yourselves. Blessings to you guys all. I hope that you enjoyed this video breakdown. Again, I will give you guys an update on XLM once we do see some price action play out. I'm looking for a pullback into the 21 to 20 cent psychological level, where if we do see some type of bullish momentum pick up, fractal break in market structure, maybe even a higher low, I will look to add to my overall XLM position. All right. As for XRP, before we hop off, again, my bearish targets on XRP are as follows. I'm looking for price to come down into this area. Why? Because we have all of this trendline liquidity, which we can clearly see the markets have an interest in coming to attack. Why? Because we dropped beneath the 85 cent psychological level. We are holding that as quote unquote resistance. If we fail to break back above the 85 cent psychological level, most likely we are going to have that sell off on XRP, where the banking institutions are going to come and attack liquidity in the form of sell stops and over leveraged buy positions beneath all of these trendline liquidity lows. Okay, and these double bottom retail pattern trading formations. Again, trading against retail trading strategy, where if we do get that depreciation in XRP and we do get a pullback, a significant pullback in price, I will be looking to add to my XRP bags once we get a fractal reaction to psychological levels over to the right hand side, a fractal break in structure, or a fractal higher low that fails to break previous market structure lows and sends price higher. All right. As always, be cognizant. Please, please, please be aware. I cannot ask my followers enough. There's 4,113 of you all that are interested in this YouTube so far. So I'm speaking to you all. Obviously, you all have an interest in what it is that I teach. So please save yourselves by not being manipulated by all the hopium in the space. I'm not saying that in the long run, XRP couldn't surpass double digits, okay? But what I'm trying to display to you all is that since all of these price predictions, all of these unrealistic price predictions on XRP and other assets like HBAR, XDC, all of these tokens, right? There has been so many moves that you all could have capitalized on if you would have learned how to buy and sell price action, not just buying, okay? Not just buying, and definitely not buying when these people who have no credibility tell you it's time to buy. It's time to buy. Okay? Blessings to you guys all. I'll see you all in the next video breakdown. Everybody take it easy.